glasses. They make things that are far away look much closer.
But you shouldn't have to rely on those, my lady. Your sensors are regularly maintained. Perhaps not so regularly.
Where'd my glasses go?
They're on your forehead.
Bingo!
Whatever you're looking for is always...
What is that?
I have something for you. It's for your birthday. I also had our servants here prepare a little surprise for you in the form of a fireworks display. Turns out we couldn't do it. Surprise!
Nope. Put them in my bedroom like you do every year.
Of course, my oh no! Surprise!
Nope.
But look, your hiccups have stopped.